Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today Apple released iOS 12.1.1 Beta 2, and this update is quite small at just over 350 megabytes for the iPhone XS. So let's check it out and see what is new with this update. This video is sponsored by DimSquid. DimSquid is a website hosting service where you can go and search for and purchase a domain for your website, and then DimSquid will then host your website for under $4 a month, which is obviously super cheap. To make it even better for all of you tech review viewers out there, DimSquid is offering you guys 75% off your purchase by using the offer code TechReview. So check it out and get started today with your new website hosted by DimSquid. Okay, so iOS 12.1.1 Beta 1 was released last week, and with that update, we got some very minor changes via FaceTime and then some more improvements to the Apple Watch app as well. Now, past those changes, iOS 12.1.1 was said to be more of a security update. Apple really wasn't focusing on any new features. So with Beta 2, I wasn't really expecting much here, and honestly, I'm quite disappointed because there's nothing new with Beta 2. No new wallpapers, no new features, and really that wasn't to be expected, but it's kind of like, let's get on with it here. Let's see more features with iOS 12. Now, with this being a smaller update, hopefully we are getting more close to basically an official release for iOS 12.1.1, so then we can move on to iOS 12.2 betas, where we will likely see some more features, including that ECG feature for the Apple Watch. As of right now, for all of you guys, we will be seeing more features with iOS 12.2, so it's probably best that iOS 12.1.1 finishes ASAP. So fingers crossed that this is the last beta for this version and we see an official version really soon, hopefully either this week or next week at the latest. So guys, as I said, not too much going on with iOS 12.1.1, not too much attention needs to be paid to this beta version. It's really kind of a featureless update here, but do stay tuned for 12.2 and what that will be bringing to your iDevices in the near future. Anyways, guys, if you want something more exciting to watch, stay tuned for our 2018 iPad Pro impressions and some more content surrounding that new and exciting device in late 2018. So thank you all for watching, stay tuned, and we'll catch you in our next video.